Hello and welcome to Ready Set Demo for this quick Black Friday offer video. If you don't know me, I'm Liz Shannon. I'm from Southampton in the UK and I'm a 17-year Stampin' Up demonstrator. As well as creative inspiration, I offer free, tried and tested and practical ideas to help you grow your Stampin' Up business, wherever you are in your journey. I also produce ready-to-teach classes to save you time, money and effort so you can focus on doing what we all love, which is creating, stamping and sharing together. Now, here is the hard bit to say. I have been offering my regular classes at the same price since I started this channel in 2013. Oh dear. If you were in my team and you were doing that, I would be telling you that everything has gone up and your crazy low class prices must reflect that. Now, in my defense, I do try to keep my classes affordable for all demonstrators, but my channel costs have gone up 10 times what they were back in 2013. So reluctantly, I am raising my class prices just a little bit from £10 to £12. Now, depending on the exchange rate, that should come in, the new price should come in just under $16 US, if that helps you calculate. I hope you think that is still good value for the classes that I offer. My most recent class, Viva Vellum, has launched with the new price, and I will be increasing all my previous classes on Saturday the 29th of November. My big 36 project classes will also go up on that day. I'm still deciding exactly what they're going to go up to, but they will be going up as well. But from today until Black Friday, the 28th of November 25, you can get all my past classes at the old prices. So if you have an eye on a fancy folds or a technique class or two, you can get them right now, and it is your last chance to get them at this price. You can find all the links to my classes and of course my free business training right down below in the description. I'd like to finish on this Thanksgiving season by thanking each and every one of you who have supported Ready Set Demo over the last 13 years, and especially over the last year since I had to give up my in-person classes. Whether this has been by commenting and subscribing, it all really helps. By joining my newsletter or buying a class or two, I really appreciate each and every one of you. So thank you, and thank you for visiting Ready Set Demo today. See you soon.